What could have been. Ravel Morrison is of England's biggest misguided talents.His natural ability was all well and good, and he was touted for big things at Old Trafford, according to the likes of Sir Alex Ferguson and Ferdinand. But for those who have followed his journey, it has been somewhat of a fall from grace in recent years for the gifted Morrison. Whilst England have continually struggled for any kind of creativity in recent years, the man who could have potentially been filling that void has been impressing in America for Mexican club Atlas. It now looks like he's ready to conquer the international stage after it emerged that Jamaica have extended an invitation to the 25-year-old. Morrison represented England throughout the youth ranks, but he failed to make a senior appearance for the national team, and after reviving his career for Atlas, the Jamaican first-team manager Roy Simpson has asked for the player's release for their upcoming friendly match in Kingston on March 25. The former West Ham and Manchester United player posted the following on Instagram: "It has been a telling journey for the midfielder," and in his book Leading, former Manchester United manager Sir Alex Ferguson revealed just how sad Morrison's failure to succeed at Old Trafford was, saying, "Sadly, there are examples of players who have similar backgrounds to Giggs or Cristiano Ronaldo, who, despite enormous talent, just aren't emotionally or mentally strong enough to overcome the hurts of their childhood and their inner demons." Ravel Morrison might be the saddest case. He possessed as much natural talent as any youngster we ever signed, but kept getting into trouble. It was very painful to sell him to West Ham in 2012, because he could have been a fantastic player. But over a period of years, the problems off the pitch continued to escalate, and we had little option but to cut the cord. Thoughts on Morrison switching national allegiance to the nation of Jamaica?